Okay, I have a dilemma here. Either buy a $700 vacuum or try to hook it up to my regular vacuum I already bought. I got a smaller Festool vacuum for my sander, which is great. You know, it's HEPA approved and everything. But this has produced too many chips. Okay, and what I figured out to do is with this piece, I took it to Home Depot and I got an inch and a quarter and an inch and a quarter rubber connector. Okay, I'll tighten that screw up. And then I got the 3-piece adapter kit at Home Depot. Okay, and this piece was one of the 3 pieces. And it'll fit right into that rubber boot with a little persuasion. You can snug that up. And then it slides right, and this is all wore out, but it still slides right on. It's a rigid vacuum cleaner, and it slides right on. Alright, so now I got a full vacuum with the big 2.5-inch hose with my Festool T55 saw and the track. It cuts really nice. Edge is ready to join. Put it on the saw. You're ready to cut. Just tighten that up. Thanks for watching.